world holds many opportunities to be accepted or rejected. To be accepted by someone as unforgettable as her, saying she thinks I'm unforgettable too. That's all the acceptance we need. Yet the world has so many voices, judging, condemning, accepting, shaming.
Are you ready?
The ghost of imagination within is ready to be unchained. My love and I always keep each other living in the sky. We create a paradise between each other above all the noise. Yet even still, the voices opposing love can be so loud in life. And you need the universal writer within to remind you that love is always near. Dear future self, well, you've made it this far. I hope you know what you want to do with your life, and that you believe in love. Remember to dream your dreams, and to always believe in love. You're not alone. You're never alone. Keep moving forward. Love yourself. The heart is a box of voices, memories, and beliefs, meant to be locked with love that no one or nothing can take away.